Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a fabulous sauce. This is one of our sauces that you can make if you're not, stewing any meat and you want a sauce. I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous sauce, okay? To my pot here, I have some oil. And in my oil, I'm going to add some of my Epis. I'm not going to add just a little bit of Epis because I'm not making a lot of sauce. Okay, guys? And I'm also add, this is a little bit of minced garlic. I freeze my garlic. I'm not going to add too much garlic. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And also my Epis has garlic in it. Okay? So we're going to allow our Epis to fry just for a little bit. And then I'll come back. Alright, after a few minutes of your Epis frying, I'm going to go ahead and add some tomato sauce. Okay, you can use tomato paste. And I have my stove on a medium. You can use tomato paste. But I'm using tomato sauce. Okay. So we're going to allow our tomato sauce to cook because we want to take that rawness taste of the tomato out of this dish. So I'm going to allow that to cook for about a minute or so, and then I'll come back. Our tomato paste has been cooking for a while now. So now what we're going to do is add some hot water. Okay, depending on how much sauce you want. Let's put a little bit more. Like this. Make sure you're using hot water. You want to give it a stir. Now, you want to flavor your sauce. Keep in mind, my Epis has flavor, so I don't want to overdo it. Let me just give us a taste. Okay. Since we add the water, it needs a little bit more flavor. So now I'm going to add, you can add in your chicken seasoning. I'm using my chicken base. If you use Maggi, you can go ahead and add your Maggi. I'm going to add some garlic powder, just a little bit. I'm going to add some clove powder, or you could add whole clove. I'm just add a little bit of clove powder in there like that. And then we're going to add some adobo seasoning. Get that all off of this. And we're going to add in our thyme with our fresh parsley. I'm going to add in my hot pepper. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lime juice in here. I don't want it too much, but like that. I'm going to give it a stir. All right. Our video cut off, but I was in the middle of giving it a taste. Get a little bit more. Guys, it is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is we're going to allow it to cook. All right, our sauce has been cooking for a few minutes now. It's looking lovely. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some onion and our bell peppers in here. I'm going to cover it again. All right, let me give you a good look at our sauce. I allow it to sit, our peppers and our onions to sit in here for about 5 minutes. Okay. Do you see the sauce? It is absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom in See how beautiful our sauce is? Our vegetables are still nice and crunchy, but a little bit of softness on the outside. See our sauce? It's delicious, delicious, delicious. For those who had requested this video, this is how I make the sauce that you see on the side of my fried fish or any other meat. Until next time, guys, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. It's delicious, y'all.